Good morning, students. So today we are here to discuss about lecture number 10 of heat and thermodynamics. Okay, lecture number 10. So in this class we will be discussing numericals based on first law of thermodynamics. So first question is nothing but 1 mole of helium is heated. So question, 1 mole of helium is heated, okay, from 25 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius. Heated from 25 degrees Celsius to 125 degree Celsius. Clear? And they had given that this process is occurring at a constant pressure. At constant pressure. Okay. And question is, find first one, what is the value for Q? Next, second one, what is the value for delta U? Clear? And third one, what is the value for W? Clear? So note down the question. I'll be erasing this and we'll proceeding for solution of this. Yes, quickly. Shall I erase the board? Okay. Okay. And in that question, listen, first of all, helium is monatomic or diatomic gas? Helium is monatomic gas. Monoatomic gas. For monoatomic gas, we know that F is equal to how much? 3. F is nothing but what? Degree of freedom. F value is nothing but what? 3. And R value is given to you. R is nothing but 2 calorie per mole. Two calorie per mole. So what they are asking first one? They are asking about Q. Clear? So what is the formula to calculate Q? Okay. What is the formula to calculate Q? Q is nothing but what? NCV delta T or NCP delta T based on constant volume or constant pressure. So process given that complete process in question only, process is in constant pressure. That's why formula is nothing but Q is equal to NCP delta T. Clear? NCP delta T. Now next step is about substituting the values. Shall we start to substitute values? What is N value? N is nothing but what here? Number of moles. How many moles they had given? 1 moles. That means N value is nothing but what? 1. Now Cp we should have to write. Cp means what? From Mayer's relation, we know that Cp minus Cv is equal to what? R. Correct? Huh? From this expression, Cp is nothing but what? R plus Cv. Correct? Huh? This value is nothing but R plus Cv. And delta T, final temperature minus initial temperature. Final temperature is 125 degrees Celsius. Initial temperature is 25, means delta T value is 100. Clear? Now listen. Value for Cv is nothing but what? Fr by 2. Yesterday we had calculated, no? Cv is nothing but Fr by 2. Remember. So 1 is nothing but, you can, if you want, you can write it, otherwise leave it. Okay, because just a multiplication factor. Here what we are having? R. First write R as it is, plus Cv is nothing but what? Fr divided by 2. Fr divided by 2. Next comes delta t. Delta t is nothing but what? Again 100 only. Now substitute the values here. R value, F value, R value, okay, all the things. So R is nothing but, given that R value is how much? 2 plus F value is how much here? 3. R value again 2. So how I can write in this manner? 2. Okay, divided by this 2 into 100. So 2 will get cancelled. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 into 100, 500. So Q value is how much? What? 500. 500 calorie. 500 calorie. Clear? Our next step is to determine delta U now. Delta U means what? Change in internal energy. Delta U is nothing but what? In previous class we had discussed. Delta U is change in internal energy. So now second one. Delta U is equal to, what is the formula for change in internal energy? Already we had discussed this part. Just try to recall what is the formula. Delta U is nothing but what? Yes. Formula for delta U, change in internal energy, NCV delta T. Clear? NCV delta T. Now just substitute the values. N value is 1 given in the problem. Okay. Next, CV value. CV is nothing but what? FR by 2. CV is nothing but what? FR divided by 2. Clear? Next, we are having delta T. Delta T value again 100 only. Okay. Now substitute the values for F and R. Okay, is equal to F value is how much here? 3. R value given 2 divided by 2 into 100. So 2 will get cancelled. 3 into 100, 300. Clear? Delta U value 300 calorie. Okay. So remember the values here. Q value we got 500. Delta U value 300. Next, work done we should have to calculate. What is the first law of thermodynamics? What is the first law of thermodynamics? First law of thermodynamics states that amount of heat given to the system, okay, is equal to increase in its internal energy and external work done. That means delta Q is equal to delta U plus W. So you need W now. Q value you are having here. Delta U value here you are having. Can you calculate? So here if I want to write, means what I have to write, W is equal to Q minus delta U. So Q how much? We are supplying 500 minus delta U value 300. So final work done value how much? Work done value will be 500 minus 300 means value will be 200. Clear? 200 calorie. Clear? Copy this down. I'll be erasing the board. Is that clear? Okay. Okay, next question. Second question. One mole of oxygen is heated. One mole of oxygen is heated. 1 mole of oxygen is heated from 25 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius. Clear? And process is occurring at constant volume. Given that process is undergoing at constant volume. Constant volume. Next, what they are asking, find Q, find first one Q, second one delta U, third one work done. Clear? So note down the question. Shall we go for the solution part? Shall I raise this question? Okay. Solution. So given that 1 mole of oxygen, that means N value is how much? 1. Clear? N is equal to 1. Then what they had given? Oxygen. Oxygen is, remember, oxygen is diatomic molecule. Okay? Oxygen, diatomic molecule. Oxygen, diatomic molecule. Clear? For diatomic molecule, F value will be how much? Degree of freedom value will be 5. Correct now? Next. And given that in question only R is equal to 2 calorie per mole. R value given to you 2 calorie per mole. So first one, Q we have to calculate. What is the formula for Q? Q is nothing but what? Q is nothing but what? NC delta T, where C depends on constant pressure or constant volume in that manner. So they are telling that constant volume means what formula I should have to write? NCV delta T. Clear? NCV delta T. Now here, CV value means what? FR by 2. Clear? So shall we substitute? N CV is nothing but FR divided by 2. This is delta T. Are you getting this? CN CV delta T. CV is nothing but FR by 2. Clear? Now substitute the values. N value is 1. Okay, 1 inside the bracket. F value is 5. R value 2. Whole divided by 2 into delta T is from 25 degrees Celsius to 125 means delta T value will be 100. So 2 will get cancelled. 5 into 100, 500. Clear? 500 calorie. Clear? Now next step we should have to calculate what? Delta U value. Clear? Where shall I start this one? This is nothing but first case. Q is equal to NCV delta T. First thing what they had asked? Q value. That we had calculated here. So second one they had asked us which one? Second value which one they are asking? Second value they are asking about which one? Come on. Second one we should have to calculate delta U value. Clear? So second case, delta U is equal to. Now listen. What is the formula for it? Delta U. Delta U is nothing but again NCV delta T. Clear? Which is equal to CV value. Again you should have to substitute what? FR by 2. Clear? So N as it is, CV is nothing but FR divided by 2, delta T as it is delta T only. Clear? Okay. Now N value is how much given? 1 inside the bracket. F value given 5, R value given 2 divided by 2 into delta T is 100. Final temperature minus initial temperature 100. So 2 will get cancelled. 5 into 100, 500. So this is also 500 calorie only. Clear? Now third case what they are asking? Third case what they are asking? Work done. Third case we need what? Work done. Clear? So what is the formula for work done? From first law of thermodynamics, amount of heat given to the system is equal to increase in its internal energy plus external work done, or work done is equal to Q minus delta U. Q value is 500, delta U value is 500, 500 minus 500, value will be 0. 0 work done. In case of constant volume, always remember you are going to get work done value will be equal to what? 0 only. Clear? Why it will be like that, you know? Anybody thought about this point? So we know that work done is equal to force into displacement. Okay, or small amount of work done is nothing but force into small amount of displacement. So force can be written as what? PA into dx as it is. A into dx is nothing but a dV. Yeah, this is nothing but dW. At constant volume means TW value will be equal to 0, work done value will be equal to 0. Clear? Shall we proceed for next point? Next question. So given that for 1 mole, okay, and oxygen is diatomic molecule, you should have to remember. And we had calculated degree of freedom for diatomic molecule, which is nothing but 5. Okay, then R value is given to you in terms of calorie and mole, 2 calorie per mole. So Q value they are asking, delta U value they are asking, as well as work done value they are asking. Q value minus delta U means Q value is also 500 over here, delta U value is also 500. 500 minus 500 value will turn out to be 0 calorie. Here Q value how to calculate? Formula is nothing but NCV delta T. If constant pressure they are telling means NCP delta T. In question they had given constant volume means NCV delta T. So in place of CV just substitute the values FR divided by 2 and simplify, you will be getting 500 calorie. And delta U value, this is general formula NCV delta T, which is always valid condition. You cannot change it for CP even if it is constant pressure. This is fixed only. Okay, for delta U, NCV delta T. Just substitute the values, you are going to get again 500. So next lastly, work done value will be equal to what? 0. Because constant volume means work done value will be equal to what? 0. dV will turn out to be 0. So P into 0, 0. dW value will be 0. Total work done will be 0. Clear? Shall I erase the board? Shall we go to next problem? In an isothermal process, process, 50 joules of heat is given. 50 joules of heat is given to an ideal gas, find work done and change in internal energy. Find work done and delta U. Clear? So how we can solve this question? So what all the things they are asking? We should have to calculate work done and delta U value. Clear? Okay, how to calculate now work done and delta U? First go for delta U. First try to calculate delta U. Isothermal process means what will be constant? Here, solution. Isothermal process means temperature will be constant, so that delta T value will turn out to be what? 0. Delta T value will be equal to what? 0. So now they are telling that what is the value for delta U and work done W. What is the formula for delta U? We know that delta U is equal to NCV delta T. If delta T is equal to 0 means delta U value will turn out to be what? 0. Clear? So delta U value in case of isothermal process value will be 0. Always you have to remember. Next, work done value they are asking. Work done. What is the formula from first law of thermodynamics? Amount of heat given to the system is nothing but change in its internal energy and external work done. So W will be equal to what? Q minus delta U. Delta U value already we got 0. So W will be equal to what? Q. Q value is how much? 50 joules. So W will be equal to what? 50 joules. Q value is nothing but what? 50 joules. Clear? So you should have to read question carefully. They are telling isothermal process. That means indirectly they are telling you that temperature value is constant and delta T value, change in temperature value will be equal to what? 0. Clear? Shall I erase this question? Okay? Alright. Okay. Next question. 0.5 mole of helium is heated. 0.5 mole of helium, okay, is heated from 27 degree Celsius to 327 degree Celsius at constant pressure and at constant volume, and you are expected to calculate Q and W in both the cases. You should have to calculate Q as well as W in both cases. Okay, note down the question. We will be going for the solution part. First one, at constant pressure we will calculate Q and W. Later at constant volume again Q and W. In that manner we will be proceeding. Clear? Shall I erase now? So solution. So first one we are proceeding for at constant pressure cases. At constant pressure. Clear? Join along with me. We should have to calculate Q value. Clear? Q value is nothing but what? NCP delta T. Yes, start substituting N as N only. CP is nothing but what? R plus CV into delta T, or N R plus CV is nothing but what? FR by 2. Okay, into delta T. Substitute the values. N is 0.5 mole means it will be half inside the bracket. R is same only, given that 2 calorie per mole, plus F value. Helium is which one? Monoatomic gas, remember. So F value will be how much? 3. Okay, R value 2 divided by 2, delta T value how much? 300. Okay, 27 degrees Celsius to 327 means 300. So 2 will cancel. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 into 300 divided by 2. Clear? 5 into 300 divided by 2 means finally you are going to get 750 calorie. Clear? Next, at constant pressure only you should have to calculate what? Work done value. Clear? Work done is nothing but what? Q minus delta U. Correct? Huh? Q minus delta U. So Q value how much? 750 already you got. Substitute here. Delta U is nothing but what? NCV delta T. Okay. 750 minus N. CV value FR by 2 into delta T. 750 minus N value is 1 by 2. F value is 3. R value 2 divided by 2. Delta T value 300. Clear? So finally if you calculate this complete part means here you just 2 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2. 150 into 3 450. 750 minus 450 you are going to get a 300 calorie. Clear? So remaining one at constant volume, will you try? Shall I erase the board? 1 second, I will be erasing. Okay, next continuation part, what we should have to calculate at constant volume, correct now? At constant volume case. So here what all the things we should have to calculate? Q as well as W. So Q value is nothing but what? NCV delta T. Substitute NCV value is nothing but FR by 2 delta T as it is. N value is half. F value is how much here? 3, no? 3 into R value is 2 divided by 2. Delta T value 300. So 2 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2. 150 is a 300. Next 150 into 3 value you are going to get 450 calorie. Clear? And next last one, you should have to calculate work done. Work done formula Q minus internal energy from first law of thermodynamics. Q value you had calculated here 450 minus delta U value. Delta U is nothing but what? Change in internal energy value, NCV delta T. So 450 minus NCV delta T. NCV is FR by 2 delta T. Substitute 450 minus half. F value is 3, R value is again 2 divided by 2 into 300. So 2 ones are 2, 150 is a 150 into 3 450. 450 minus 450 0. Clear? At constant volume again work done value will we had got it as 0 calorie. Clear? So practice more, practice maximum number of times, so that you should have to be perfect with all the formulas, what all the things we had discussed, and all the concepts also. Clear? So keep studying, don't waste your time. Again we will meet up soon.